What's up, hackers? Welcome back to CTF Tricks, your go-to spot for breaking down the most complex hack into simple wins. Today we are dealing with Advent of Cyber, Sidequest number 4, which came up with day number 21 of Advent of Cyber, which is hosted by Tryhackme in this year, 2025. So let's dive right in. So for those of you who want another challenge, download the STA file from here to get the key for SideQuest 4, accessible through our SideQuest hub. The password for this file is canurem3 question mark. So I'll just open this link in another tab and you get to download this northpole.zip file. I have already downloaded it, as you can already see, and let's proceed with this. I'll cancel that. Let's go over there. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the northpole.zip file. Let's unzip it. Unzip northpole.zip and let's provide the password that Tryhackme has already provided. Awesome. Let's do ls. We get this North Pole performance review.hta. I'll just open this North Pole performance review.hta file in mousepad and let's go through it. As soon as you open, you see this wonderful base64 encoded strings, and there is some random code which we are least bothered about. The code is like doing some stuff, but what we are interested in is this base64. So let's get rid of everything else over here. And the top as well, I'll get rid of the base64 thing, like everything else other than base64. And what we get is a file that just has this base64 strings all together. Let's save it as a different file. Let's name it as and let's suppose base64.txt. I'll save it as a txt file and let's save it. Awesome. Let's close it. Let's do ls and we see a base64.txt file. Let's try to open it. And yeah, it's fine. It has been stored as we wanted. So as we already know that it is a base64. And how did we come into the conclusion that it's a base64? It's because it has small letter alphabets, capital letter alphabets, as well as numbers in it. It is a format of base64. So let's go ahead to CyberChef or any other decoder platform to actually decode it. I'll close this file. Let's open google.com. Let's go to CyberChef. Let's open it and I'll pull in the from base64. So from base64, it will convert the base64 encoded strings to normal like text. As you can see, it is already converted, like it has this env computer name, env username, k is 23, and then it has the whole long data file, like data string, which is actually again some encoded stuff over here. Then what we see is this code, this actual code, what we get over here is taking this data stream and it's decoding it from base64. So we need to decode this entire string again from base64, and then what the result string that it is getting, it is doing a XOR using this key $K. So key is 23. So it is doing a XOR operation with the key as 23. So let's dive right into it to decode it. I'll just copy this link because it has the base64 decoder in CyberChef open. Awesome. So let's copy the entire string over here that is in the $D thing. Let's paste it as input. Just at the bottom, you need to remove this one single quote, and on the top, on the very top, you need to remove everything before this single quote, including this single quote. So I'll remove this section of the string, that is $D equals single quote. This four characters I'll remove, and then I get this base64 decoded string over here as output. Now we know from our decoded code that after the from base64 we need to do a XOR with the key 23. So let's bring in XOR. I'll type in for XOR. I'll bring that in over here and type in the key as 23. I'll change the key type as it is a decimal. So as soon as I changed it to decimal, you see we have the extension of .png, which shows us that we are on the right track. So now let's convert this entire code, like the string that we got, to an image. So I'll do image, sorry for that, image, and choose. Create image to image. Mm, it should be something. Yeah, awesome. So there is this generate image which generates image using the input as pixel values. Just need to ensure if we have done everything all right. Okay. And change it to RGB. Okay. So sorry for that. I'll just remove this generate image. Just use the render image. Render image will display the input as image. So we had got this input to a PNG format, and after we do a render image on that, we finally got the resultant image for this fourth side quest, that is throne 123 star. So, and that would be it for this side quest number 4. After that, you can head over to the side quest section of Tryhackme the Advent of Cyber 2025 and put this throne 123 star as the key to the side quest 4 and start solving the side quest 4. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.